Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Learn new 5 words. Build your vocabulary. Because learning new words is a key component of memory enhancement. Today our agenda. First, learn new words. Second, use it in your daily routine. Third, gain confidence and achieve your goal. I am going to be sharing first word. Persuade means influence and convince. Let's try to understand and make first example. I was persuaded by my brother to marry. Make another example. It is onerous to persuade John to change his mind. Meticulous means very careful and with great attention to every detail. Let's try to understand and make an example. The book is written with a lot of meticulous preparation. Make another example. Learning any language is meticulous. Acquainted means familiar with someone or something. Let's try to understand and make an example. The boy who took your interview yesterday. I am well acquainted with him. Make another example. I am acquainted with my new neighbor. Botch up means to spoil. Let's try to understand and make an example. The marriage was going perfectly, suddenly the rain botched up the event. Make another example. The investigation is botched up when CBI is involved in this matter. Emerge means to appear or come out from somewhere. Let's try to understand and make an example. The sun emerges from the east. Make another example. Vaishali Metro emerges from Dwarka at 11 a.m. Let's recap. Persuade, meticulous, acquainted, botch up, emerge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to